Welcome to Dreammore Company, empowering Africa's digital future. Here I'm Ababayayu, founder and CEO of Dreammore Company, which is focused on digital education and smart business solution. We enable transforming learners into earners and helping businesses into digital first world. Dreammore Company, a bridging between the digital drivers, which is we face a problem, limited digital skills across Africa and lack of small scale up to large businesses, every business offline due to this missing their marketing opportunity. So Dreammore Company gives a solution, a bridge between the digital gaps, which is digital courses for learners and digital business solution for small scale up to large businesses. Our practical skill development focus on development courses, digital marketing, graphics design, video editing, and other digital courses. And also empowering local enterprise with digital solution, which is build their brand, build their digital solutions like website development and custom softwares. So they drive their marketing and increase their sales with an affordable price. Unlocking African digital economy, which is over 17% of small scale remain offline. This is representing large untapped market, and this is an opportunity for Dreammore Company. Why Ethiopia is our strategic launch market? Because a lot of youth population driving demand for digital skills and mobile connectivity due to expanding of internet. This is an opportunity or scalable for Dreammore Company. Those are attraction during we deliver our course and more than 10 clients we deliver our digital solution for businesses. Accelerating growth through strategic partnership. This is engaged with visionary partnership and investors to empower Africans' digital future. Thank you for your support. In digital world, small change gives a big difference.